Hey guys, this is your boy Ritik Ramaiya back with another video out again. And today my video is gonna be focused about tips and tricks and some question and answers which I was asked in my previous sessions. So I'm here again making a new video which will be concerning about this topic. So the first question and answer that I got is, how did I start Forex? So I started Forex is like when I was in university, and I used to hear a lot of people starting trading, and I always used to have the idea that why not me? So I went on internet, I went on YouTube and found some tutorials, and I started Forex. This is how I started Forex. The second question, guys, is that I got is that how to start Forex. How to start Forex? It's very easy. You just need to watch my YouTube channel, how I explain things, because my motive is that if I can start it, you can start it as well. And I want to take you on the journey where how I started my Forex trading career. So I want you to accompany me as well in my trading journey. See, so you need to watch my YouTube channels. I'm actually teaching you from the basics, from zero. So I want you to understand, I want you to learn how to start Forex the way I started. So if I can do it, of course you can do it as well. The fourth question, guys, is that how do I apply to a broker? So don't worry, guys. To apply to a broker, it's very easy. There are different types of brokers which the Forex market offers. So I'll be taking you on a step-by-step way on how to register to a broker. My next video will be dropping out soon. So we should be explaining about how to register through a broker, in which I'll be physically using a broker to register my account, so you don't need to worry about that. So yeah. The fifth question, guys, is that I've been getting is that should I join different academies? Should I join different trading schools online? Do I need to pay money? My answer would be simple. No. You don't need to pay anyone a single cent to learn Forex, because if I could learn Forex for free, then you can learn as well. And my motive is to spread the knowledge of Forex for free. So I would suggest you guys, if you're willing to pay the academies, then you can go ahead. But my YouTube channel, it's all for free, and you will be learning every single step-by-step detailed instructions, detailed tutorials on how to go about trading Forex. I'll be dropping strategies, I'll be dropping tips, I'll be doing live sessions with you, so you don't need to worry at all. So to conclude with, my answer for paying academies is no, but if you wish to, then you're free to do if you have extra money. So yeah. Another question I get, guys, is that how much do I need to start with? It's not a realistic question exactly, but yes, I'll answer that. How much do you need to start with? I personally had started from $10, but there's no specific amount on how much you need to start with. But I'll just tell you one thing: if you have not mastered the skill of Forex, then you'll be losing money in the market always. So you need to master the skill, you need to understand how the market works, you need to stabilize yourself and then go into the market. So there's no specific amount on how much you need to start, but I would say a rough figure is like $20 to $30 in order to start, and you can grow your account. Another question, guys, is that people ask me, is the Forex market affected by news? Like, what is it affected by? How do I know when to enter, when not to enter? So I'll be answering this way. Basically, in the Forex market, there are two types of traders: fundamental as well as technical. Fundamental is where you trade by the news. So let's say if America has a great news, if Trump is gonna tweet anything, if Trump is gonna do some weird actions, some beneficial actions for the country, so that will depend on how the US dollar will flow. On the other side, there's the technical analysis. The technical analysis involves you analyzing the charts. The charts, I mean the candlesticks which go up and down. You need to analyze that well in order to take a move, whether it's buy or a sell. But don't worry, my next video will be explaining all about fundamental versus technical, what you need to know, what you don't need to know. So yep. Another question is that I get is, can someone be a full-time trader? Can someone be a full-time job? Can it be a full-time job for someone? Is trading really a job? So I would just say that yes, it is a job. People do trading as their only job, and they earn more than people who work in different companies. I would tell you that. So why I'm telling you that is that basically Forex is very easy and convenient if you know the skill. I repeat again, if you know the skill. It's not like gambling, as well as it can be done at your own time, and it's very convenient. So yes, if you have the skills and knowledge, then you can of course be a full-time trader doing nothing at all. The question is that how much time do I need to invest in the Forex market? How much time do I invest in learning? This is a question which I know all of you might be having, and I'll be answering that today. And the answer is that how much time you need. I spent 3 hours a day before 2 years, and that time continuously went reducing, and now I spend like 20 to 30 minutes a day just analyzing, and that's all for me. So how much you are willing to invest your time, how much you are willing to dedicate yourself towards this cause, that's all that matters. If you're, let's say, doing 10 hours a day, then you can do it within 1 month. If you're doing 5 hours a day, that might take you a long time. So how much you are interested in this, how much you are grabbing the knowledge into your mind, what's your consuming capacity, that all matters. So no matter what, you need to put time in. Yes, you need to put time in a lot, and you will be successful for sure. The last question, guys, is that have I been successful in this? I would like to tell you, I would not be doing these videos and teaching you and spreading the knowledge if I was not successful. And as you know, this YouTube channel is mostly contributing towards the charity cause. So if I was not successful, then I would not have started this. And yeah, so yeah, I hope guys you enjoyed the question and answer, and I hope it is useful for you in your journey to Forex trading. I hope you guys like, subscribe the YouTube channel below, and I'll be posting another video soon, most probably tomorrow or day after, on fundamental versus technical analysis. So stay tuned, take care guys. This is your boy Ritik Ramaiya Forex, editor Aqeel Mohammed. Bye, see you soon.